Power 93.7 WBLK. I'm Yasmin Young, and this is a special community forum, very impromptu, but I thought that it was very, very important after peaceful protests yesterday escalated and we saw chaos happening in our city. And understandably, we know that people are upset, people are tired, people are frustrated, and this is not the first time that we have been through this. So I get it, and I just want us to have some dialogue and to try to heal and to try to figure out how to stop this from continuing to happen, because it is a issue that we continue to deal with in the African American community. I'm joined now by Mark G. He is the president of the Buffalo Urban League Young Professionals. Welcome, Mark.
Hello. How are you?
I could be better. To be honest, I could be better. I'm alive, so I'm appreciative of that. But this is something that has been plaguing us for our whole entire history in this country. Let's be honest. And yes. I think, people are just really getting frustrated. People are really trying to figure out how we can fix this. We've tried kneeling. We've tried peaceful protests. Apparently people have tried violent protests. We've tried electing officials. We've tried almost everything. And today we're still in this situation. So I just want to talk to our community leaders, especially our young community leaders here in Buffalo, and just get your perspective. And I just want you to give some words.
Yeah, so let me just start by saying that what we are seeing, what we are experiencing is more or less the culmination and yet another breaking point of years, decades, centuries of pain, anger, and frustration from our black and brown brothers and sisters here in America. And all we want is to just have freedom and equality unconditionally. Freedom and equality, those are things that we should all be born into. But we've seen time and time again where we've seen time and time again since even before this country was a country, where we've had to fight to be seen, fight to be heard, and just fight to live. And I just also want to be clear on something, that the fight here against racism here in America most definitely did not end with the election of President Barack Obama. But I will say that instead, just like we've witnessed for many years, whenever there is a significant model of advancement of black people in America, the folks who subscribe to and perpetuate racism are motivated to evolve in the culture of their wrongdoings. So what we are seeing today in America is more or less the design and the use of a legislative and judicial system that is not in favor and biased against those who are criminally accused. And we already know for a fact that black people in many ways are disproportionately accused of crimes. So what I'd like to see more from our young people is just the realization that the racism we experience is directly impacted by the laws that are created and how those laws are enforced. And much, but not all, of that is attributed to the content of the character of the folks we are and who we are not electing to serve in public office. So I definitely urge my young peers to be, more upfront and put forth the same vigor they're putting into the protesting, into exercising their right to vote. I want everyone to know that black and brown lives matter at the voting polls just as much as they matter in our interactions with the police. Our thought process and call to action around inequality needs to be constant, including when it's time to exercise our right to vote, and understanding that our right to vote is a part of the solution to these systemic inequalities. So that's some of what I want to share with, a lot of what Buffalo and the rest of the country is experiencing right now, because, of course, this has been going on for a very long time, and it needs to stop.
Absolutely. And I know one of the ways in which young people especially can actually get involved, be proactive, do something that really is going to help is to become involved with the Urban League Young Professionals. Where can people find more information about becoming a member?
Yeah, so to learn more information about the Buffalo Urban League Young Professionals, please visit our website, that is bulypny.org. Or find us on our social media on Facebook and Instagram. We're also available on LinkedIn by the same tag, BULYPNY.
Mark, I appreciate you taking the time and to speaking to the young people here in Buffalo. Thank you.
Absolutely.